Welcome to Elijah Goes Outside. Right now we're in downtown Disney. We're gonna go to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Last year we made a friend with a Federal Signal Modulator 6024, and shortly after we left, Hurricane Nora came through there and made a mess. So is our friend still there? We don't know, but we plan to find out today on Elijah Goes Outside. This is gonna be our most epic adventure ever. We love going to Bubba Gum's, so we're gonna eat dinner here tonight, and then tomorrow morning, bright and early, we're gonna fly out of the nearby airport here and go to Puerto Vallarta. Are you ready to go to Puerto Vallarta?
Yeah.
Come on, keep going, keep going. Bubba Gum's, baby, I love Bubba Gum's. Last year, Elijah, blah, 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 all over the plane. Are you gonna blah, blah, blah?
No.
No? The smell of the airport early in the morning.
I just don't.
Embarrassing?
Yeah.
Where's the daddy?
I don't like the recording.
Elijah, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Yeah. 2.5 hours.
Uh-oh.
It's a 2.5 hour.
2.5 hours. All right, be a good boy, okay?
You will.
We made it. We made it. We didn't crash the plane. Got 2 kitchens, 3 bathrooms, 2,500 square feet of awesomeness. Who's ready to go to the pool?
Me. Me.
Me. We're going to the pool. So last year, Elijah was and he wanted to go down the crocodile slide, but today, he is graduating from chicken to rooster. Are you graduating to a rooster today? Are you gonna go down?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh my God!
Guess who's no longer a chicken? Guess what he is?
A rooster.
We're here in downtown Puerto Vallarta. We're about to walk to see if we can find our siren friend. Did he make it through Hurricane Nora? I don't know, but we're gonna walk over there and find out. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
That's what I need. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited to see a siren friend?
Yeah.
What kind of siren is it?
Modulator.
Federal Signal Modulator, right?
It went down. That's so long.
What?
We found clouds,
Where?
but they jumped away. That's the bridge.
Whoa.
That is the bridge.
This is the site of the suspension bridge that we crossed last year. It got wiped out by Hurricane Nora. It is gone.
You guys want to see? There it is. It's.
I hope our siren friend is still there.
That's the same, only they change the color. That's
Let's see what you got. Show me. Whoa, that lights up. All right. What did you buy?
Among Us.
Among Us. What is it?
You press the water game.
Okay, so hit the switch. Oh.
Gotta get them on these hooks right here. I just got 2.
Wow, that's so cool. So last year, this whole street got knocked out by Nora. I have footage of this place being knocked to the ground. And look, they rebuilt it back up. Look at this bridge. Look at this bridge. Brand spanking new. Look at that. Yeah, it's ice cream. Ice cream lady. It's a much sturdier bridge. Yeah, buddy.
Good.
It's supposed to be shaky. Whoa. Okay, at the top of this bridge is where our siren should be. So let's see if it's still there. Come on, guys. You guys go first.
Up the ramp. We found it. It's here.
All right, we're here. Ready for the big reveal? Let's see if our siren friend is still here. What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah? What do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, here we go. Let's look at the base.
What is it? This?
Whoa. Look at. Oh my gosh. That thing is massive.
Here.
Don't touch it.
Wow. It's bigger than Elijah.
Damn.
It's tall.
So yesterday when we drove home from downtown, we got an Uber driver and he gave us a skinny. But at first when I asked him, he didn't even know what I was talking about. He said hurricane. And that's because in Puerto Vallarta it didn't rain that hard. So he said that the sirens actually didn't go off, although people were evacuated. It was a hurricane, but it rained in the hills. It rained in the hills. What happens is that the water rushed down. It rushed down so hard that it knocked down an apartment complex and it knocked out an entire bridge. You can see this bridge that we're walking on. This is a bridge that was knocked out. They just inaugurated it a few months ago. Actually, he said 3 months. So they replaced it pretty quick. But yeah, bridge got knocked down by the waters rushing down from the hills there, Hurricane Nora. Thankfully, we got to see our siren. That didn't get swept away.
We saw 3 sirens.
We did see 3 sirens, so there's many more sirens here in Puerto Vallarta. If you want to go ahead and map them, that would be a cool thing to do. What'd you think?
That was pretty good.
About that story?
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah. It's rough. It's rough. A hurricane
Nora.
swept away everything. Elijah, what's that?
A hat.
What's on the hat?
A chicken.
No.
A rooster?
A rooster.
Hey, you're a rooster.
And guess what you're getting today?
A hat.
You're getting a rooster hat. Why?
Because you're a rooster.
Because you're a rooster now? Because you went down the alligator slide. Last year you were bark, 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 bark. Chicken. Come here, come here. Come here. Last year you were bark, bark, bark. Didn't want to go down the alligator slide. But this year you went down the alligator slide. And then you went on the wave runner. Come here, come here. So now, instead of being a chicken, you are now an official rooster. Look at that. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Elijah is now a rooster. Look at that rooster. All right, we made it through security. This is the end of our trip. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. We love you guys. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.